Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech and baby gear expert with the infant, toddler, youth, and pump station and nursery. And we're going to show you how to uninstall the Cybex Cloud Q from your vehicle if you've done a latch installation. So the first thing you want to do is you want to release some of the tension from the base. So grab the orange lock-off device and turn it down toward unlocked. That'll open up the lock-off and it's going to loosen up some of the strap. The connectors have a red button on each end. If you push that button like you were unbuckling yourself from the seatbelt, it'll disconnect. Do the same thing for both sides. Anytime you're not using the latches, you want to put them back in the storage compartment. So make sure you squeeze the orange button to recline the base all the way. So that way you can get the connectors back on each side. And there you go. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.